Mastering the art of knitting. Understanding the provisional cast on. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an intriguing topic that bridges the world of knitting with learning English. The provisional cast on technique. Whether you're a knitting enthusiast looking to expand your vocabulary or an English language learner curious about specific phrases, this video is tailored for you. Let's unravel the mystery behind provisional cast on and learn how it's used both in knitting and in English conversation. Provisional cast on is a knitting technique used to temporarily start a knitting project. This method allows knitters to keep the stitches active so they can return to them later, adding more knitting in the opposite direction or completing edges and seams with a seamless finish. The key aspect of the provisional cast on is its reversibility. Unlike traditional methods, stitches can be easily picked up again, offering flexibility in knitting projects. Understanding the provisional cast on is crucial for several reasons. For knitters, it's a valuable skill that enhances the quality and versatility of their projects. For English language learners, it's a perfect example of how specific terms can have specialized meanings in different contexts. By learning such phrases, you can expand your vocabulary and gain insight into cultural hobbies and crafts that influence everyday language. Performing a provisional cast on involves a few steps. 1. Choose a method. There are several ways to create a provisional cast on, including using a crochet hook or a knitting needle. 2. Create a foundation. Start with a series of loops on your needle, using a piece of waste yarn. 3. Begin your project. Knit your project from these loops as you would with any other cast-on method. 4. Unravel when ready. Once you need to access these provisional stitches, simply remove the waste yarn, revealing live stitches that can be worked in the opposite direction. The provisional cast-on technique is incredibly versatile, used in creating socks, scarves, and other garments that require a neat, seamless finish. It's also essential for patterns that need a symmetrical look or for joining two pieces of knitting without a seam. By mastering this technique, knitters can elevate the quality of their work, making their creations more professional and polished. We hope this video has shed light on the fascinating world of knitting and the English language. The provisional cast-on is more than just a technique. It's a doorway to learning new skills and expanding your linguistic and crafting horizons. Whether you're threading needles or weaving words, remember that learning is a journey that stitches together knowledge and creativity. Thank you for watching, and happy knitting and learning!